Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Azure Data Factory series. In this video, we are going to discuss about tumbling window trigger. So tumbling window trigger is nothing but like is a type of trigger that fires the periodic time interval from specified start time while returning the state. So tumbling windows are series, fixed size, non-overlapping and contiguous time intervals. This is the difference between at a I mean a scheduled trigger and tumbling trigger. Scheduled trigger will nothing but as a wall clock timing. This is like specific periodic time interval and it avoids the non-overlapping and contiguous time intervals. Okay. So now we will create we will check for how to create a tumbling window trigger and assign it to the pipeline. So now I am under manage, under triggers. So let's go for trigger. Before that, let me show you what are the types we have in the few examples. So here are the few examples Microsoft designed. So minutes and run every hour and every hour, few hours and minutes, and runs at 5 a.m. and 5 p.m. 2 times per day. Runs at 5:15 a.m., 5:45 a.m., 5:15 a.m., and 5:45 a.m. So these are the specific timings. If required, we will go for with these timings and schedule a trigger, and it will run like every 1 hour. So based upon the time frame, 24 times it will run 24 times in a day. These are the few examples. So I will add you the Microsoft documentation in description. You can go through it. So now let's create a tumbling trigger. Here type is tumbling. Now we need to select tumbling window trigger. So tumbling window trigger. Here we can see only three options: minutes, hours, months. In schedule trigger, we can see hours, minutes, weeks, more options there compared to tumbling window. So here run every 15 minutes. We are not specifying any end date here. If we want to, we can add end date as well. Okay. So click OK. Maximum occurrence. Delay is not required. If you want delay, we can add delay. It will wait up to whatever time frame we will add. It will wait and then it will start the trigger. Click OK. So if you will see here in a schedule trigger, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and there we have only three things in a tumbling window trigger. That is the difference between this schedule trigger and a tumbling window trigger. So let's attach the trigger, new edit. So tumbling window. If you want start status started, we can select started, click OK. So make sure publish after saving the trigger. So we have attached the trigger, okay, to the pipeline. So same way we can detach the trigger as well. We want to click detach, 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 detach. Okay, close. This is the way we can attach and detach the triggers for existing pipelines. So now both the triggers are in started. If we will stop it, it won't trigger the pipelines. It's always status should be started whenever we have created a schedules. It should be available in started status. This is the difference between these two triggers. So next session we are going to check storage event trigger. This is about today. So thank you so much. So hi. So if you are watching first time, so please subscribe to my channel to get new notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.